Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Dr. Deepti G. Warrior from Shankar Kripa Arogya Niketanam, Chanakra, Kerala, India. Today we'll discuss about typhoid fever. Everyone is very familiar with typhoid, yet there are some basic and important points which has to be noted in typhoid fever. So typhoid is spread by a bacteria named Salmonella typhi. It is seen in developing countries. It is also a threat in developing countries, especially in children. So typhoid is caused by contaminated food and water and a person who is in direct or you can say close contact with a person who is infected with the typhoid. Usually typhoid fever appears gradually and 1 to 3 weeks after exposure of the disease. Next we'll move on to some signs and symptoms of typhoid. The first most important symptom of typhoid is the fever itself. Fever is generally low and then increases daily with around 103 to 104.9 degree Fahrenheit, which is very high. Second is headache. Normally in typhoid what happens is a person has loss of appetite, loss of you can say decreased thirst, loss of sleep. All this leads to dehydration, which causes excessive headache in typhoid patients. Due to all these conditions, it means due to all this loss of appetite or decreased thirst, patient may have severe weakness and muscle fatigue, severe muscle aches. Then we can go to sweating, severe sweating, then dry cough, abdominal pain, severe abdominal pain with diarrhea. Diarrhea, the stools may contain some blood tinge in it. Then the most important sign in typhoid is around rose spots around the skin, especially in abdomen and chest. It is usually 2 to 4 mm flattened rose spots, which is a very diagnostic point in typhoid. These are all the early symptoms of you can say typhoid, but there are some symptoms which are usually late. What happens is when you untreat or when you neglect the earlier symptoms of typhoid, the late symptoms of typhoid are usually the patient goes into delirium, a delirious state of mind. Second is he may be unconscious with half closed eyes. So that are the late symptoms when you untreat the early symptoms of or early signs and symptoms of typhoid. So how can you prevent typhoid fever? As I said earlier, that it is usually caused by contaminated food and water. Definitely you have to drink boiled water. It is preferable to drink around 2 to 3 liters of water per day, boiled water. If it is lukewarm, it will be more good. Second is avoid raw food. Have lukewarm and or warm food while having your dinner or lunch. It is more good, it is more useful for your body. There are some complications, there are even some complications of typhoid fever, like you may have inflammation when you untreat or when you neglect the symptoms of typhoid. There are some complications like inflammation to pancreas, kidneys, heart, etc. But that are in more severe cases. So these are the basic things which has to be seen in typhoid. You have to have a good proper sanitation. You have to wash your hands properly. Normally typhoid has a fecal-oral transmission. So proper sanitation, proper washing of your hands is very important. I would like to repeat the prevention of typhoid. That is, you have to drink around 2 to 3 liters of boiled water. If it is lukewarm, it will be more good for you. Second is avoid raw foods. Have lukewarm to warm foods while having your lunch or dinner. And then have a proper sanitation, proper hygiene, and wash your hands properly and thoroughly. So these are the things which has to be noted in typhoid fever. In upcoming episodes and upcoming videos, we will discuss more about more other disease and its prevention. Till then, thank you, take care and stay healthy.